Hi everyone, just a quick update. I got a few new visitors to the channel thanks to the Vulcan work that we did. That's not my main interest, just to be clear. I don't mind if you unsubscribe here. But I will be looking at Orfordness. I went there with my wife recently. This is where the Victor used to drop inert atomic bombs on Britain, and we got some video of the area. It's quite an interesting area, I think. And I got a big interest in World War II concrete, going back to my days as an explosive demolition guy. My main interest is bass guitars, yeah. I'll show you around the room in a minute. There's loads of them. So I'll be adding some EMGs to an SX bass. I really like EMGs. In this area, I have a lot of noise. I found out it's because the strip lights are broken. So I'll be buying some more strip lights at one point. If anyone knows any good LED brands, let me know. I'm hopefully going to make a machine to help me regrind the neck profile of guitars, because I tend to buy cheap ones, but I prefer the profile of some more expensive guitars. So it's just an experiment. If it breaks, I waste £80 making the gear and a few things, not a big deal. I will be looking at these bass pedals, so these zoom pedals and other. I've got a good friend who goes on Facebook. I don't do Facebook, but he goes on Facebook. Richard goes on Facebook, and people are interested in how to get external controls in to change parameters, and I think that's doable from what I can see. I'll be looking at my B1 on, the G5, the original G5, the G5N, which I really like. On the Atari ST, let's take you off here. On the Atari side, I got some of these recently from Gillian off eBay. She's a wonderful seller. So a friend of mine got an ST here, STFM. It was only half a meg, and I want to do some Cubase. So Gillian helped me out with getting some innards for an ST, and I got a 4 meg one, and I had one of these back in the day. Somewhere my wife's got the disc, so that might be an interesting video to show where we find them. We've still got them. Everything I'm interested is keyboards and repairs, so I've got a few of them here. I will be repairing this one fairly soon, the Miniac. It's just got the dirty contacts. Yeah, who knew? It's in a dirty garage, but it happens to everyone, yeah. So that'll be coming soon. I'll probably fix the K4N up, K4 rather. His felts are a bit weird, so the keys, you see here, this like little gap. I don't know what's going on there. Someone on one of the Facebook suggested that you can change the felts. I got some felt, and I'll give that a go. I might fix the speakers on this organ. The reason I got it is to, I can't see if I got it here, carry the cables there to the mixer, so then it can come out of these speakers, which are 30 watt RMS and pretty good. If you're interested in things like mathematics, if your kids want to learn mathematics, let me know. I'm pretty good at the maths. Yeah, I did it years ago. This is my explosion detonation stuff in the corner there. There's my music. There's my electronics. And the desk is going to be working soon. I bought, let me just bring it out. Hang on. I got one of the Amazon recommends. Do not buy this piece of crap here. It's the worst soldering iron ever. So I got a better one that my friend uses, which I'll review and use. And then I can actually start to finish this project where I've got the pedal. I need to solder these onto the various points I've marked up in black, I think, or whichever color I've done, and that's where I need to solder them, wire them up, and then put them into the box to make the external pedal. This is my beer. This is good beer. I haven't been drinking it. I'm just getting old and slurry. So in these tight financial times, DIY beer is a pretty good way of having a bit of sup without having to spend too much, and just generally repairing things. So that's what will be happening on the channel soon. If you're interested in this, please write down what you're specifically interested in. Something else, write it down. Sorry if you just came for the Vulcans. It's been holding me back from making the next video because I kind of want to get on with some of these, but I don't want to disappoint people that have joined for the planes. I will be following more planes at one point, but simply to say I'm an autist, Asperger's guy. I got a lot of interests, and you know, I do them quite randomly. So I think there's plenty of stuff here for various people to follow. It's just a case of, if you give me some hints about what you're interested in, I can prioritize some of the topics above others. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have fun and take care of yourselves. Bye.